So this is by Mr. A, and he shares this message with me on my Instagram. So I'm just going to read this. Thank you for allowing me to share this incidents. First time I was in my tuition classes, I was 13 years. My tuition teacher made me watch adult videos and used me to pleasure him. Touched, fondled me around my privates. Pretty much blank after that, I don't remember much. Same thing happened three times in a span of 1 month. Next time there was nothing too extreme. A shopkeeper who was like a friend to me tried to force himself on me. But having experienced such things before, I quickly freed myself and left from there. Next was in college. Seniors would tease me daily while traveling to and from the home in college bus. No professor intervened ever. They used to unbutton my shirt while I was asleep or talk to me dirty things, touch me inappropriately. This was all that I had experienced in terms of sexual abuse or molestation. All the people who did were male and not more than 10 years elder to me. They were people I looked up to. I thought of them as my elder brother. Anyway, that's that. The first time it happened, I didn't know what it was and why it happened. It did feel filthy and wrong. I still remember that night I slept face down on my pillow, crying and feeling tainted and filthy everywhere. But magically, I had no memory of it the next day. Things were all fine, but during my time in college, the teasing from my seniors unlocked all those memories in me. I could remember almost everything that had happened. Since then, things started spiraling. Soon, those memories started affecting my daily life. I could not function properly in my daily activities. I started to feel disgusted by my own self. I still do. All the time, I wished to tear off my skin and remove all the filth that is on my body. It's easy to say that it wasn't my fault, or maybe it was my fault. I tried ending my life couple of times, but always ended up failing in that as well. I couldn't bear the hurt and the pain I was causing to my parents. I have since been suicidal every single day. I have bouts of depression and anxiety. That's not all. I feel different from any normal person I have seen till now. There are many triggers in my daily life, and many are such which I have no control over. Albeit, I live on, not for myself, but for my parents. I have tried seeking psychiatric and therapeutic help during my engineering days, but it was difficult to hide and manage, as mental health has been a taboo subject for them. I'm not sure how do I write or what should I write. I'm still struggling every day. If it's about educating others, I would say one thing, that is to get help as soon as possible, and no need to worry about others and what family would think. I recently opened up about this to my parents. It didn't go well. Anyway, that's all I guess. This was Mr. A who messaged this to me while I talked about discussing and sharing the sexual abuse. I have received a lot of messages from even men, and how it is so difficult for even them to come out and talk about it. It does change a person entirely. We have something called as the milestone while we are growing up. When these milestones are not matched, or when some of these milestones have mismatched, for example, a sexual experience or a sexual pleasure needs to be or can be experienced after you are 18 or something, right? But if an early time you have experienced it, your life will not be the same. So there are pleasure parts in our body, and these pleasure body parts, if fondled or mishandled or touched in an inappropriate manner, will still instill pleasure, and that pleasure will be associated with the feeling of disgust, filth, and then hatred for self. So people might become self-loathing in that case as well. Please understand, if this has happened to you, take somebody's help. These are some of the issues which needs to be out of the system. And people might tell that it's not your fault, but if you are a survivor, you will always keep blaming yourself that why was I there, why couldn't I do anything, why did I not share. That's all I would want to say. If you have any points or any other thing to discuss, please share so that more people can come forward. If you have any points to mention, please share in the comment. And thank you so much for watching this entire video.